Hello kids, welcome to Junior's Art, and today I'm gonna draw a cute witch bear. You can call it a fat bear. So firstly, I'm drawing his witch hat. Now it's fat bear's hat. Wow. The hat is beautiful, and I'm making it sparkly with some sparkling stars on it. Let's make the bear's face. He has a big face and tiny eyes. Nose and mouth. He has cute ears. And now I'm drawing his sheets. And tiny hands and body. I wanna make him flying in his magical broom. The broom should be a little longer. That's enough. Now, oh, don't worry, I will show you that. Let's make it full sheets first. And okay, my drawing is completed. Now we will start coloring it. We will start with a purple, a deep purple, and his hat would be total purple. Don't color those stars. Those stars should shine. Okay, now using a little yellow for the stars, shining stars. Perfect. Now pink for the bear's cute cheek. Oh wow! Again the same purple. Wow. Okay, now it's time to color his magical broom with a brown color. Okay, fill the rest with a gray color. It should be lighter gray, but it's okay, no problem. I have this one, so I'm using this gray. It would be better if you can use a lighter one. Okay, a fat bear is ready.